Okay, now I've walked down to Neptune Circle and Suntide 2. And the water has completely come up onto the road between the beach access. The police are here. I hope they're not blocking people off. You can see the foam where it came to the edge here. I'm not very good at making it not shake. I'll do my best. Debris. Thinking, if not, can we do it first thing? Oh, yes, I'm going to be regretting that. Okay. Never been to this beach access before, just walked before it. And there's the Suntide 2 wall. Uh-oh, a bird just went under. It didn't drown. Yes, these people aren't worried. All the furniture's out on the patio. Okay. It's just tidal surge. Just. How gorgeous. In below the beach access, and you can see what's taken the dune away. Cut away, it's right under us. Oh, getting higher on that seawall. Right here is where I usually walk. Right there. Right where all those waves are. That's the beach, but not now. Ooh. Oh, shoot. Our dunes are going? Yes, they are. That's sad. Oh, look at them just falling in. Even the...
Well, I took a picture of where this fence is.
Yeah.
To kind of see, you kind of give me a guideline.
Perspective.
Back at you.
Right.
Oh.
Oh, stop falling, dude. You're all that protects us.
Yep.
That's amazing. For such a beautiful day.
I know, right?
It's hard to reconcile when, yeah, I mean, you know, you look at...
You can tell all that fell off. So
right.
That's not from the ocean.
That's all just falling straight off.
We're going to have to get some, get them to start pumping them back up here.
Right.
You know, we've had a problem with that.
Yeah, I was here one year before we moved here. We came down in the wintertime and they were pumping from, I guess,
from the jetty,
by the jetties.
Yes.
And
the channel.
Depositing it along.
Yeah.
It was very stinky, but I knew it was the right thing to do.
Yeah, we have to do that. They haven't done it in some time, but this last year they started doing it.
Well, if it's all being sucked out, then it's there available to be moved.
Yeah. And they got to move it so that the ships can come in.
Exactly.
So might as well replace it.
Yeah, I live on the bay on the other side.
It's high,
Laguna Vista, and our docks that are normally, I mean, it's hard to get out of a boat onto those docks. You have to climb up 2.5 feet. Ooh, golly! It is, no, it hasn't sucked up. It's all the way to the dock, to the bottom of the dock, so it's up about 3 feet.
Because when the hurricane came, it sucked it out.
Yes, that was the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah,
it was like a dry lake bed.
You can't even describe it in the picture.
I know.
The magnitude of it, you couldn't.
I took videos and I took pictures, and I couldn't. People were like, "Could you take another picture of that?" Well, no, it's done with.
Yeah. All right. Well, I got one this time.
Yeah.
The other end, it took some more.
Yeah. So did I. I was down there somewhere.
Yeah.
Well, good luck to you.
You too.
Thanks. Oh, I hate seeing that. Just chunks falling. These are the dunes, man. I know. Well, I was down by Suntide 3 where they took the walkway away and put that web stuff.
Yeah.
It's completely covered. You can't see the web stuff. And I, went over the berm, and there was water in the, and obviously it's done that here too.
Yeah.
It's gone up the edge there. This is nice. It feels very sturdy. Doesn't feel.
Yeah, they.
I guess I'm going to go back to another point. They say that all of the beach access areas on the north end of the beach, that the road is covered with water all the way down to all those parks and that sort of thing. There's a piece of dune laying that's now surrounded by water. It's going to be a hard thing to recoup. But if they don't recoup it, if we have another hurricane that hits, there's no defense from higher waves.